Good morning, class 2 children. Now in GK, let us start chapter 13, staying healthy and fit. Health is wealth. We must take care of our body. We must eat nutritious food, read good books, and keep our body fit and healthy by exercising regularly. Jogging every morning makes our bones and muscles strong. Reading good habits makes our mind healthy. Eating foods like burger, pizza, and chips makes us fat. Stretching exercise help us in gaining gaining weight, gaining height. A good night's sleep helps in keeping the body healthy. Coconut water is very good for our health. Put the tick mark on activities that are good for our health. Reading good in good light, eating fruits and vegetables. This is cross. Playing outdoor games. This is cross. This is also cross. Doing yoga exercises regularly. Tick mark. Acha. Cross. Then washing hands is the most effective way to avoid germs. Connect. Some good table manners to follow are given below. Wash hands before eating. Place the napkin on your lap. Don't place your elbows on the table, whatever we are doing. Chew your food slowly with your mouth closed. Use the cutlery correctly and don't play with it. Never reach across the table. Say, please pass the food. Say, excuse me if you burp. Don't spill food or water on the table. Don't talk with when you have food in your mouth. Brushing your teeth twice in the morning and at night helps to improve oral hygiene. It protects your teeth from germs and decay. Time to reflect. See, wash. Wash your hands before and after meal and after using toilet. Number 2, use a tissue to blow your nose when you have cold. See, muffler is there. Brush your teeth twice a day. Cover your mouth when you cough, yawn or sneeze. Flush the toilet after use. Let's be inspired. Dr. S.I. Padmavati is the first woman cardiologist, heart surgeon in India. She is the founder of President of All India Heart Foundation. She was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1992. Now let us complete chapter 14, Natural Wonders. Given below some natural wonders of India, you must learn it. Magnetic Hill near Leh in Ladakh is where the law of gravity is defied. The hill pulls vehicles in an upward direction towards it. Dudhsagar is the purest falls of Western Ghats. They are located near Goa Karnataka border. As the name suggests, it seems like streams of milk flowing down the mountain. That means, see this one. Floating Lake is located in Manipur. On this lake, we can find the world's only floating islands known as Phumades. Phumdish. The lake also had the world's only floating park. Valley of Flowers is located in Uttarakhand. It is famous for its exotic flowers and is house endangered animals like red fox, blue sheep, brown bear, etc. This one is now endangered. Now we can find them in this place. Marble rocks are located near Bheraghat in Jabalpur. These rocks are spread along the river Narmada and are around 8 kilometers in length. Identify these natural wonders. Located in North America is canyon was Colorado River. This canyon is 446 kilometers long, 29 kilometers wide, and 6093 feet deep. This is Grand Canyon. It is a natural light display in the sky, generally seen near the north and south pole of Earth. This is very easy, children, to find out. See, lights. Light is located in lights. It is world's largest coral reef, made up of 2,900 individual reefs. It is located in Australia. The Great Barrier Reef. Located in southern Africa, it is the largest waterfall in the world. It was named after the reigning British Queen Victoria in 1885. Children, very easy. Victoria means go to Victoria Falls. It is an example of nearly perfect cinder cone volcano that went quiet in 1952. It is located in Mexico. Volcano. The world's highest mountain peak, it continues to grow at the rate of a few millimeters every year. It is located in Nepal. You know it, Mount Everest. Then go to connect. Match. Great Wall, China. Colosseum, Italy. Rome, Italy. Machu Picchu. Number 3, G. Where is G? G. Sorry. Machu Picchu, A. Peru. Then Taj Mahal, India. Then Christ the Reindeer. Number 5, D. Chichen Itza. Number 6 is C. Number Petra, B. Jordan. Now time to reflect. You read it yourself. Okay. Replace regular light bulbs with CFL or LED. Carpool or use bicycle. For more often, use solar energy like solar gesture, cookers, cells, etc. Geyser. Reduce waste. Avoid products with lots of packaging. Plant trees. Let's be inspired. Theodore Roosevelt, the 26th President of United States, created 5 national parks, 51 bird reservoirs, and 150 national forests. He believed that the conservation of nature is a national duty. Thank you, children.